Good morning, guys. I'm looking for my house keys so I can leave. Hey, Lexi. Hey. Hey. I say good morning, and what's funny is it's 3:43 p.m. right now. So, you know how it goes. Since I don't have my keys, I'm having to do this. This is what I'm having to do. You guys ready? You gotta hit the button, and then you gotta make it out in time. Oh. Like that. That's so I can lock all the doors. But anyway, I'm going to dinner with Caitlin down in Columbus. I'm going to meet her parents right now, so I can ride down there with them. We're gonna meet up with her grandparents and just all have dinner together. So should be pretty fun. I have been talking to the guy that we're shooting for on Saturday. I'm going to... Sorry. Talking to him. We're going to shoot that on Saturday morning. Going to meet up with him on Sunday to get the hard drives and stuff with the footage on it. I found you.
I know which way to look when I tell you the back right-hand corner.
So guess what?
I told you.
Guess what?
What?
I forgot my diabetes stuff.
For real? No, you didn't.
I don't have it with me. Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
You're not that dumb.
Normally don't use these spoons anywhere. I was surprised that I hopped last night. They had spoons.
I hope that's because of you didn't partake in this picture.
Here's the cost, $2,000 a month. Okay.
You wanted $1,500.
I don't care. This is the deal.
Yeah.
Guys, this is like lightning speed here.
Chicken pot pie.
Thank you.
You got chicken pot pie? Pardon my rich man?
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
We just got done eating at Cheddar's, the best place on earth. I'm glad I could come down and see my girlfriend for a night at least. For a night.
That's what it's there for, though.
Oh my God. Okay. Come on, pick your feet up. Pick your feet up.
Yes, sure, please. I know, that's where you're going. I'm not going in.
Caitlin, what just happened?
I don't know.
So we're looking for a wheelchair for the grandfather.
What's she doing?
He found a wheelchair,
Why?
but it doesn't have the feet thing, so there's straps holding his feet up.
Oh.
He's ready. He's good.
He's loving this.
All you need now is a pool to dump them in. If you have a pool, you can just dump them right in the pool.
My ass that I don't have hurt.
What?
My ass hurt.
Oh, I thought you said ass.
No, my ass.
Feels like a flat tire.
Are you going to be happy about it or you want to not buy it?
What a good dinner. I am so full, man. That was a lot of food. I mean, Cheddar's is such a good place to eat because all the prices on the food are great. Especially, I mean, you get a ton of food too. But I got steak and tenders. It was $12.49. It came with like an 8-ounce steak, 3 huge chicken tenders. You saw it in the video. Got the side of mashed potatoes, the broccoli. It's so good. And flavorful, but I mean, $12.50 for all that, come on, you can't beat that. All their drinks are good prices too. I mean, I get like this rum runner thing. It's 5 different types of rums or something like that, and it's like $4.50. You can't beat that. You had $2 beers all day long, 23 ounces. Anyway, really good place, really full, and it was of course really good to see Caitlin, the lovely girlfriend. I know she was happy that we could come down and have dinner with her, and she could see her grandparents for a little bit and stuff like that. So her grandfather is great. He's a pretty hilarious guy. But anyway, I'm gonna go home. We have a marketing thing tomorrow. It's like a business networking event tomorrow morning at a YMCA in Fayetteville, Georgia. So we're going to that. Gonna try to, you know, just get face to face with some people. You know, make some pretty decent contacts. Hand out business cards, and then from there we're going to a meeting at 11 in Atlanta at a acting class studio space. It's called Drama Inc. Check them out. They're really good people up there. But going up there, gonna have a meeting with the owner of that, just about a couple of different things. So I don't really want to say too much about anything yet. But that should go well. Really looking forward to it. Busy day tomorrow. Then from there, I'm gonna try to set up to shoot for Saturday. We'll see how it goes though. I gotta get a stack of business cards for the networking event tomorrow. So look at, got cards all over the place. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Already got a rubber band around it. How convenient. These are our business cards for our commercial side of the company, RCR Video Marketing Group. Anyway, so got this stack. I'm gonna take those. I'll probably take a couple other ones, throw them in the car, but I'll keep these in my pocket. But thanks for tuning in once again, guys. Thanks for watching. Please keep watching. Please hit that like and smash that subscribe button. I'm gonna keep the content coming as much as I possibly can. And just thanks once again for staying with me through this journey on building a film production company and becoming a full-time filmmaker. So remember to always keep it cool. Peace. About to head to the second restaurant that we're shooting at, and that's actually the last location. Supposedly that one should go pretty quick because it's a lot of older people there, so they come to dinner earlier.